about IREDA. That stock has almost tripled from its listing price of 32 rupees to now go on and hit 100 rupees. There was a 20% up move yesterday. It's followed it up with another 17% up move. And even from its listing price of 50 rupees, issue price 32, listing price 50, the stock is doubled now to 100 rupees. Abhishek joins in with some perspective on this. Abhishek.
Well, power finances have been in focus of investors this year. Take a look at the YTD returns that REC and PFC have generated, nearly between 245% to 250% range. So IREDA was the latest IPO amongst power finances to come this year. The cheap valuation that it had at the time of IPO, that is price to book value of nearly about 1 time, generated a lot of investors' interest into this IPO. And the investors have been rewarded given the fact that the stock price has almost tripled or even more, from the IPO price as well. If you take a look at the peer comparison, gross NPA ratio of IREDA is below REC and PFC. However, the valuation right now, on account of the fact that the stock has tripled, is right now about price to book value of 3 times when compared to 1.74 that you are seeing for REC and about 1.76% that you are seeing for PFC. So IREDA had launched a retail division. They are targeting PM Kusum, rooftop solar, as well as other B2C segment with respect to loans being given out to these segments. The CMD has said that 1 to 2% of AUM allocation is towards the domestic pension and insurance funds into renewable energy bonds. The move is to aim, deepening the bond market for, power finances and fostering increased global and local investment as well. So CMD also has said that scaling up climate finance to meet India's energy transition goals, that is there. Back to you.
Okay, absolutely, Abhishek. Thanks very much for that. So that stock is in the last 9 days is up 100%, and I think, as Abhishek pointed out, has essentially gone up 3 times since listing, which is 2 weeks or so. So that's just incredible.